Hi, all of you. Myself, Dr. Anandar Muchandi from the Department of Shareerajna. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic of Marma Shareera and its classification. First of all, today we are going to see the definition of Marma. Saptottaram Marmashatam Tani Marmani Panchatmakani Bhavanti Tadyatha Mamsa Marmani Sira Marmani Snayu Marmani Asthi Marmani Sandhi Marmani Cheti न खलु मांसशिरा स्नायवस्य सन्धि व्यतिरेकणान्यानि मर्माणि भवन्ति यस्मान् नोपलभ्यन्ते. So the word marma's meaning is jivasthana. That is, the marmas are the specific locations on the body when they get trauma or when they get injured will eitherly surely cause death or permanent deformity with extreme pain. So the number of marmas are Saptottaram Marmashatam, 107 in number. Tani Marmani Panchatmakani Bhavanti, which are having 5 constituents also, which are formed by 5 components. Those are Mamsa Marma, Sira Marma, Snayu Marma, Asthi Marma and Sandhi Marma. And apart from these 5 components, the 6th one is not there. So among these 5 components only, the Jivasthana or Marma is present. Next, we are going to study the classification of Marma. The Marma has been broadly classified into 5 categories: Rachananusara, Shadanganusara, Parinamanusara, Pramananusara and Sankhyanusara. So, first one is Rachananusara. According to the 5 components and their predominancy in the Marmasthana, it is classified into 5 types. Those are Mamsa Marma, Sira Marma, Snayu Marma, Asthi Marma and Sandhi Marma. Here Mamsa Marma are 11, Sira Marma 41, Snayu Marma 27, Asthi Marma 8 and Sandhi Marma 20 in number. Next, Shadanga Anusara, that is according to the extremities or according to the location in the body. Again, mainly 4 types, or we can consider it as only 3 types, as Shakhagata, Madhya Shareeragata and Jatrudhvagata. Here Prushtagata as well as Udara Uras Marmas both can be considered as one in the Madhya Sharira Marmas. These two, Prushtagata as well as Udara Uras Marmas, total 26 in number, those can be considered under the Madhya Sharira Marmas, because Prushtagata means back and Udara Uras means chest and abdomen. So Shakagata Marmas 44 in number. Here 11 in each shaka or 11 in each limbs. So 11 into 4 shakas, 44 in number. Prushtagata, back 14. Udara Uras, that is chest and abdomen, 12 in number. And Jatrudva, that is above the Jatru, or according to modern science we can consider it as a head and neck, 37 in number. Next, Parinama Anusara, that is in the definition I told you, that is if gets injured it can cause the severe pain or otherwise sudden death of the person. So according to the effect after the injury, these are again 5 types. Those, the first one is Sadhya Pranahara, that is after getting the injury the person dies suddenly, that is known as Sadhya Pranahara Marma. Those are 19 in number. Second one is Kalantara Pranahara, that is after getting injury the person dies after specific time. Those are 33 in number. Vishalyagna, that is after entry of the Shalya into the Marmasthana, until it remains inside the Marma, there is no death of the person. Once we remove the Shalya from the Marma spot with the help of expulsion of Vata, the prana also goes out of the body. So after that there will be the death of the person. Those are three in number. Vaikalyakara, after getting injury, it gets completely or partially deformity in that particular marma sthana. That is Vaikalyakara. 44 in number. Rujakara. Here Rujakara means after getting injury, we will have the severe pain, but there is no death of the person. So these are 8 in number. Next classification according to Pramana Anusara, that is according to the measurement. The length of the marma having Ardha Anguli, Ekanguli, Dvayanguli, Trayanguli and Chaturanguli. Ardha Anguli means half angula in length. Those are 56 in number. Ekanguli 1 anguli in length, 12 in number. Dvayanguli 2 angula, 6 in number. Trayanguli 3 angula in length, 4 in number. Chaturanguli 4 angula in length. Those are 29 in number. So here Chaturanguli can also be called as Swapanitala, that is one's own palm. Next, according to the Sankhya, again 5 types. Eka, the marmas which are 1 in number, those are 6. The marmas which are 2 in number, Dvi, 26 in number. The marmas which are 4 in number, those are 9. Marmas which are 5 in number, that is Pancha, only 1. And the marmas which are 8 in number, that is Ashta, only 1. Next, in detail classification of marma. Rachananusara marma. तत्र एकादश मांसमर्माणि एकचत्वारिंशत् शिरामर्माणि सप्तविंशतिः स्नायुमर्माणि अष्टावस्तिमर्माणि विंशतिः सन्धिमर्माणि चेति तदेतत् सप्तोत्तरं मर्मशतम्. Already we have discussed about the marma classification according to the Rachana. Here mamsamarma which are ekadash 11 in number, siramarma ekachatwarinshat that is 41 in number, Snayumarma Saptavinshati 27 in number, Asthimarma Ashta 8 in number, Sandhi Vinshati 20 in number. So total 107 marmas. Next, Mamsamarma Tatra Tala Hrudayendra Basti Gudastanarohitani Mamsamarmani. Here Mamsamarma means the marma sthana which are predominantly formed by mamsas. Those are Mamsamarma. They are Talahrudaya 4, Indrabasti 4, Guda 1, Stanarohita 2. So total 11 Mamsamarmas are present in the body. Next, Siramarma, the Marmasthana which is mainly formed by Siras. Those are known as Siramarma. Neeladhamani Matruka, Shrungataka Pangastapani, Fanastana Mula Papastamba, Rudayanabi Parshvasandhi, Bruhati Lohita Akshorveha, Siramarmani. They are Neela 2, Dhamani 2, Matruka 2, Matruka 8, Shrungataka 4, Apanga 2, Sthapani 1, Fana 2, Stanamula 2, Apalapa 2, Apastambha 2, Hrudaya 1, Nabhi 1, Parshvasandhi 2, Bruhati 2, Lohitaksha 4, Urvi 4. So total Ekachatwarinshat 41 in number. Snayumarma Ani Vitapakakshadra Kurcha Kurcha Shirobasti Kshipransa Vidrotkshepaha Snayumarmani. The marmasthana which are predominantly formed by the snayus, they are known as Snayumarma. Those are 27 in number. They are Ani 4, Vitapa 2, Kakshadhara 2, Kurcha 4, Kurchashira 4, Basti 1, Kshipra 4, Amsa 2, Vidhura 2, Utshepa 2. Next classification, Asthimarma. The marmas which are predominantly formed by asthis, known as Asthimarma. Katikataruණ Nitamba Amsafalaka Shankhavasti Marmani. They are 8 in number. They are Katikataruna 2, Nitamba 2, Amsafalaka 2, Shankha 2 in number. Next, Sandhi Marma. The marmas which are predominantly formed by the sandhis. Those are Sandhi Marma. They are 20 in number. Those are Janu Kurpara Simanthadipati, Gulfa Manibandha Kukundaravarta, Krikatikashcheti, Sandhi Marmani. Janu 2 in number, Kurpara 2, Simanta 5, Adhipati 1, Gulfa 1, Manibandha 2, Kukundara 2, Avarta 2, Krukatika 2. So total 20 in number. Next classification of marma, that is Shakhanusara marma. That is according to the Shadanganusara. तेषाम् एकादशैकस्मिन् सक्नि भवन्ति एतेनेतर सक्तिबाहुच व्याख्यातौ उदरोसो द्वादश चतुर्दशः पृष्ठे ग्रीवां प्रात्युर्ध्वं सप्तत्रिंशत्. So here sakni means the limbs. Ekadasha, that is 11 marmas are present in the limbs. Etenetar saktibahucha vakyatau. In each limb 11 marmas are present. So 11 into 4 shakhas, total 44 in number. Udaroso dvadasha, that is udara and uras marmas, that is chest and abdomen, 12 marmas are present. Prusht Chaturdasha Prushte, in Prushtha, that is in the back region, 14 in number. Grivam Pratyurdhvam, that is above the Griva, that is in the head and neck, Saptatrinshat, 37 in Marmas. The Sakti Marma, the Marmas which are present in the limbs, which are 11 in number, those are Tatra Sakti Marmani, Kshipra Tala Hrudaya, Kurcha Kurcha Shiro, Gulfendra Basti, Janvanur Vilohitakshaani, Vitapam Cheti, Etenetara Sakti, Vakyatham. So here the marmas which are present in the limbs are Kshipra, Talavrudaya, Kurcha, Kurchashira, Gulfa, Indrabasti, Janu, Ani, Urvi, Lohitaksha, Vitapa. So these 11 are present in the, especially in the lower limb. Next, Bahu Marma in the upper limb. Bahu Marmani tu Kshipra Talahrudaya Kurcha Kurchashiro Manibandhendra Basti Kurparanyur Vilohitakshani Kakshadharam Cheti Bahur Vakyataha. So all the marmas are same except 3, that is Manibandha, Kurpara and Kakshadhara. So total 11 in number. Those are Kshipra, Talahrudaya, Kurcha, Kurchashira, Manibandha, Indrabasti, Kurpara, Ani, Urvi, Lohitaksha and Kakshadhara. Next, Udara Uras marmas, that is the marmas which are present in the chest and abdomen. Those are 12 in number. Udarosastu Gudabasti Nabi Hrudaya Stanamula Stanarohita Apalapastambo Cheti. So Guda 1, Basti 1, Nabhi 1, Hrudaya 1, Stanamula 2, Stanarohita 2, Apalapa 2, Apastambha 2. Total 12 in number. Prushta marmas, the marmas which are present in the back region, those are known as Prushta marma. They are 14 in number. Chaturdasha. Prushta marmani tu Katikataruna Kukundara Nitamba Parshvasandhi Bruhatyamsa Falaka Aunso Cheti. So Katikataruna 2, Kukundara 2, Nitamba 2, Parshvasandhi 2, Bruhati 2, Amsafalaka 2 and Amsa 2. Each 2 in number into 7, 14 in number. Jatrudhamarma, here The marmas which are present above the jatru, that is in the head and neck region, those are known as jatrudhu marma. They are 37 in number. Those are Jatruna urdhvam chatasro damanye ashto matruka dve krukatike dve vidure dve fane dve द्वा वपांगौ द्वा वावर्तो द्वा उत्क्षेपौ द्वौ शंखाविकास्तपनी पंच सीमंतश्चत्वारि शृंगाटका neko adhipatiriti. So here four dhamani are present. Here dhamani means both Nila and Manya, which are two each in number. Nila 2 and Manya 2. Total four dhamanis. Ashtamatruka. These are also known as Siramatruka, which are 8 in number. Krukatike Dve 2, Krukatika, Vidura 2, Fana 2, Apanga 2, Avarta 2, Utshepa 2, Shankha 2, Sthapani 1, Simanta 5, Shungataka 4, Eka Adhipati 1. Next, Parinamanusara Marma Bheda. That is, after injury, the effect. According to the effect after the injury, there are again 5 types. Tane tani panchavikalpani bhavanti sadhya pranaharani, kalantara pranaharani, vishallagnani, vaikalyakarani, rujakarani, cheti. So, the 5 types of the Parinamanusara Marma Bheda are Sadhya Pranahara, Kalantara Pranahara, Vishalyagna, Vaikalyakara, as well as the last one is Rujakara. Tatra Sadhya Pranaharaణि एकोनविंशति कालांतर प्राणाहाराणि 33 त्रीणि विषलग्नानि चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् वैकल्यकराणीति अष्टौ रुजाकराणीति. So here Sadhya Pranahara एकोनविंशति 19 in number, Kalantara Pranahara 33 that is 33 in number, त्रीणि विषलग्नानि 3 in number, चतुश्चत्वारिंशत् Vaikalyakarani. Vaikalakara 44 in number. Ashtau Rujakara. Rujakara 8 in number. Again the same. Sadhya Pranahara 19. Kalantara Pranahara 33. Vishalagna 3. Vaikalakara 44 and Rujakara 8. Sadhya Pranahara Marma. Whenever the Marmas gets injured, the person dies suddenly or immediately. Those are Sadhya Pranahara Marma. They are 19 in number. They are Shungatakaanyadhipati Shankau Kantasiragudam Hrudayam Bastinaabhi Chagnanti Sadhyo Hatani 2. Shungataka, Adhipati, Shankha, Kantha, Kantasira, Guda, Hrudaya, Basti, Nabhi. All these are Sadhya Pranahara Marmas. Now the general pathophysiology of the Sadhya Pranahara Marmas. Here Sadhya Pranahara Marma are Agni predominant. So if any injury occurs to the Sadhya Pranahara Marma, then there will be the Agni Kshaya or Agni Kshinata that leads to the Sadhya Pranahara or sudden death of the person. Here sudden death means within 7 days the person is going to die for sure. Here the Sadhya Pranahara Marma, Shungataka 4, Adhipati 1, Shankha 2, Kanthasira 8, Guda 1, Hrudaya 1, Basti 1, Nabhi 1. So total 19 in number. Kalantara Pranahara Marma, Vaksho Marmani, Simanta Tala Hrudayendra Bastaya, Katikatarune Sandhi Parshvajo Bruhati Chaya, Nitambhaviti Chaitani, Kalantara Harani 2. So the Marmas, whenever they get injury, the person dies after some time. Those are known as Kalantara Pranahara Marma. Those are Kalantara Pranahara Vaksha Marma. Here Vaksha means the chest region. In the chest region, 4 Marmas are present. Stanamula, Stanarohita, as well as Apalapa and Apastamba. So total 8 Marmas. Simanta 5 in number. Talahrudaya 4 in number. Katika Taruna 2 in number, Kshipra 4, Talahrudaya 4, Indrabasti 4, Katika Taruna 2, Parshvasandhi 2, Bruhati 2, Nitamba 2 in number. Now the general pathophysiology of the Kalantara Pranahara Marma. Here the Kalantara Pranahara Marma, which is having Saumya as well as Agni Mahabhuta Pradhanata. Here Saumya means we can consider it as the Jala Mahabhuta. If any injury occurs to these marmas, Kalantara Pranahara marmas, then there will be the Agni Kshaya as well as Saumya Kshaya or Somaguna Kshaya. Then there will be the imbalance in the Marmasthana that takes the death from 15 to 30 days. Here the Kalantara Pranahara Marma numbers: Stanamula 2, Stanarohita 2, Apalapa 2, Apastambha 2, Simanta 5, Talahrudaya 4, Kshipra 4, Indrabasti 4, Katikataruna 2, Parshvasandhi 2, Bruhati 2, Nitamba 2 in number. Next Vishalagna Marma, Utshepo Stapani Chaiva Vishallagnani Nirdishet. The Vishalagna Marmas 3 in number, those are Utshepa and Stapani. Utshepa 2 in number, Stapani 1 in number. Now the general pathophysiology of the Vishalagna Marma. Here mainly it is Vayu Pradhana or Vayu Mahabhuta Pradhanata. If after injury any Shalya enters the Marmasthana, then there will be the Vata Marga Avarodha, but Prana is in its place. So here there will be the obstruction in the Vata Marga, but there is no effect over the Prana. The Prana resides in its place only. Whenever there is the removal of the Shalya from that injury spot, then the Prana moves along with the Vayu. So until the Shalya remains inside the body, there is no harm to the Prana. Whenever we remove the Shalya from the spot, there will be the sudden death of the person as Prana moves along with the Vayu. 3 number, Utshepa 2 and Stapani 1. Next, Vaikalyakara Marma. Those are Marmas after getting injury, there will be the partial or complete deformity in that particular spot or the limb. Those are 44 in number. They are Lohitakshani, Janurvi, Kurchak, Vitapa, Kurparaha, Kukundare, Kakshadare, Vidure, Sakrikatike, Amsamsa Palaka Panga, Nile, Manne, Fanau Tatha, Vaikalyakaranyahura Avartayo, Dvau Tathaivacha. General pathophysiology of the Vaikalyakara Marma. Again, it is the Saumya Pradhanata or Jala Mahabhuta Pradhanata. If any injury occurs to the Marma, there will be the Kshaya of Sthira Guna of the Jala. That is Sthiratva of Jalaguna. There will be the Kshinata. Then Pranavalambana, but disturbance in the anatomical and physiological entity. So here there will be the only Kshaya in the Sthira Guna that leads to the disturbance in the anatomical and physiological entity. That is, there may be the deformity in the anatomical structure or there may be the deformity in the functional aspect, but it will not affect the prana or it does the pranavalambana which protects the prana. So here there will be the structural or functional deformity, but the person will not die in the Vaikalyakara Pranahara Marma. The Vaikalyakara Marma 44 in number, they are Lohitaksha 4, Ani 4, Janu 2, Urvi or Bhavi 2. So total 4 here. Kurcha 4, Vitapa 2, Kurpara 2, Kukundara 2, Kakshadhara 2, Vidhura 2, Krukatika 2, Amsa 2, Amsafalaka 2, Apanga 2, Neela 2, Manya 2, Fana 2, Avarta 2 in number. Next, Rujakara Marma. Whenever the Marma spot gets injured, that leads to the severe extreme pain, but there will be no harm to the prana of the person. They are known as Rujakar Marma. Those are Gulfau do, Manibandho do, Dve Dve, Kurchashiramsi cha, Rujakarani, Janiya, Dashtavetani, Buddhiman. They are 8 in number. General pathophysiology of the Rujakar Marma. Here again, it is Agni as well as Vayu Mahabhuta Pradhanata. If any injury occurs to these Rujakar Marmas, there will be the pain as well as burning sensation. So, as it is Vayu as well as Agni Pradhanata, Vayu leads to the pain, Agni leads to the burning sensation. There is no much disturbance in the prana. So here there is no prana. The prana will not disturbed here. The person will not die but suffers from severe pain. So here the prana, again pranavalambana, there is no risk for the prana but the person will have severe pain. Rujakar Marma 8 in number, Gulfa 2, Manibandha 2 and Kurchashira 4 in number. Next, Marma Lakshana. Marmani Nama Mamsasira Snaivasti Sandhi Sannipataha Teshu Subhavata Eva Visheshena Pranastishtanti Tasman Marma Swabhitas Tasman Bhava Nama Padyante. So here, wherever there is a combination of Mamsa, Sira, Snayu, Asti and Sandhi. Sannipata means combination. Wherever there is a combination of all these 5 structures, there is the evidence or there will be the presence of prana. So here all the marmasthana are having the prana. So any injury occurs to these marmas, there will be the death of the person. Next, the relation between the marma as well as pancha mahabhuta. Tatra sadhya pranaharani agneyani agniguneshvashu kshineshu kshapayanti कालांतर प्राणहराणि सौम्याग्नेयानि अग्निगुणेष्वाशु क्षीणेषु क्रमेण च सोमगुणेषु कालांतरेण क्षपयन्ति विशल्य प्राणहराणि वायव्यानि शल्यमुखावरुद्धो यावदन्तर्वायुस्तिष्ठन्ति तावज्जीवति उद्धृतमात्रे तु शल्ये मर्मस्थानाश्रितो वायुस्निष्क्रामति तस्मात् स शल्यो जीवत्युद्धृतशल्यो म्रियते वैकल्यकराणि सौम्यति सोमो हि स्थिरत्वाच्चैत्याच्च प्राणावलम्बनं करोति रुजाकराणि अग्निवायुगुणभूयिष्ठानि विशेषतश्च तौ रुजाकरो पांचभौतिकी च रुजामाहुरेके. So as already we have discussed, that is the sadhya pranahara marmas which are Agni Mahabhuta Pradhana. With the kshinata of the Agni, there will be the sudden death of the person. In the Kalantara Pranahara Marma, there will be the combination of Saumya as well as Agni Mahabhuta. So here the kshinata of the Agni as well as the Soma Guna, that leads to the death after certain time. That is Kalantara Pranahara. Vishalya Pranahara or Vishalagna Marmas which are Vayu Mahabhuta Pradhana, and whenever we remove the Shalya, the person will die suddenly. That is the Vayu comes out along with the Shalya. Until the Shalya remains inside the Marmasthana, there will be no harm to the Vayu as well as Prana. That is known as Vishalagna. Next, Vaikalyakara having Somaguna Pradhanata, and that does the Pranavalambana. There is no harmful effect for the Prana. Rujakarana, which is having Agni as well as Vayu Mahabhuta Pradhana. Agni leads to the burning sensation and Vayu leads to the pain. So it is known as Rujakara Marma. Next, Anyamata. According to some other authors, the opinion of these effect over the Marma are different. केचिदाहुर मांसादीनां पंचानामपि समस्तानां विवृद्धानां च समवायात् सद्यप्राणहराणि एकहीनानाम् अल्पानां वा कालान्तरप्राणहराणि द्विहीनानां विशल्यप्राणहराणि त्रिहीनानां वैकल्यकराणि एकस्मिन्नेव रुजाकराणीति नैवं यतो अस्थिमर्म स्वप्यभिहतेषु shonitagamanam bhavati. So here, among the 5 components of the marma, or among the 5 constituents of the marma, if all the 5 are present, those are known as sadhya pranahara marma. If anyone is absent, ekahina, if anyone is absent among the mamsa, sira, snayu, asti, sandhi, then it is considered as kalantara pranahara. Dvihinanam, if any 2 are absent, it is known as vishalya pranahara. Trihinanam, if any 3 are absent, then it is vaikalyakara. And if any 1 is present or 4 are absent, then it is known as rujakara marma. This completes the introduction, definition and classification of marma. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we are going to discuss about the individual marma in detail.